First and foremost, Alban, when is the year when we created SiPearl?
The company has been set up in 2019, June 2019, and the first employee started in January 2020. So we're a bit more than 5 years now.
So it's a company which is 5 years old. Yes. And the purpose of SiPearl is what?
So we are a pure semiconductor fabless company. The motto is to build compute chip, starting with high-performance CPUs.
Okay, so there is a lot of things to discuss that. The first thing is it's a fabless company. Maybe here we can explain a little bit. So first, what is a semiconductor? Is the chips that power IT? What is the difference between a small chip like can produce ST microelectronics and what does SiPearl? Maybe explain a little bit.
So that's the full challenge of understanding what is semiconductor. So it starts with a diode, which is you have 10 diodes per sense, to an NVIDIA H100 on the other side of the spectrum, which is $40,000. And in between, you will have some microcontroller, $1, for instance, that's what ST is doing. You will have some image sensors, a couple dollars. You will have some baseband processors like the one you have in your phone, or something like $100. You will have some semiconductor focused on radio frequencies for transmission, which can be a couple dollars, so it's quite wide. On our side, so what SiPearl is doing, it's at almost at one of the extreme of the spectrum, because we are talking about CPUs, which are, let's say, their value is, let's say, a couple $1,000 per unit in terms of price, but also with a computing power that you will not find in a microcontroller.